of really, really, really useful tips that are going to that you be able to action in your life within the day, if not the week. It's my 5 amazing things that I really, really, really love to have. Love sharing more about composting. Hey everyone, I'm Miranda. Welcome to my channel. This is Simple Housewife Ideas, and I love sharing about food, home, garden, low tox living, money saving, all that sort of thing. Today, I've got a very, very useful tip for you that will save you so much money at the supermarket, but also is a really great low tox option for cleaning your home. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the things that I use, a spray that I use regularly on a daily basis, and it has a beautiful scent and can still create a beautiful clean home with you. It's also useful in lots and lots of different ways. So cannot wait to get into that. Just a quick note, if you want to grab my beginning ideas for gardeners, the 12 things beginner gardeners need to know, then grab it below in the description because it is there for you. It's a free download, it's a little checklist, and it's meant to make you feel better about starting your garden or continuing your garden if you are a gardener already. All right, so let's get ready to roll. Now, the first thing that you're going to need for this simple spray, yes I am here, for this simple spray is just a bottle. Now, I've got my gorgeous one with natural clean on it. Okay, it's one of the amber bottles and it's just a cricket cut label. Now, yep, again, super, super simple bottle. And I've been using this one for a long time, actually, I've just realized. But I really, really love glass because it just, for starters, lasts a lot longer. And also looks really nice, and it's really great to just have less plastics around your home. Obviously, most of us still have plastics in our home anyway, but it's just something really, really useful. Now, first ingredient that we're going to need, and I always put this in first, is some water. Now, again, I've got a funnel, so I've got some water going in here. So just a little bit of water. I'm probably going to half fill this with water at this point. I haven't got measurements. I've just got how much fits in my jar, actually. So there we go. I'm going to give you approximate measurements, especially for this bit. Now, this is just plain cooking vinegar. Okay, it's from Coles. I'm in Australia, but anywhere you can get plain cooking vinegar, I'd be adding about probably half a cup, a third of a cup maybe, to this about this size mixture. All right, so I'm going to add that in there. Woo-hoo. There we go. That was maybe a little bit more than a third of a cup. Now, the last bit that I'm adding, and also there's another ingredient, just before I add these, there's another ingredient that I quite often add to this, and it is dishwashing liquid. So if I've been cleaning, all that sort of thing for a long time now, dishwashing liquid is fantastic because it creates that real soap effect and obviously gets rid of grease. So quite often I'll have dishwashing liquid as well, the earth stuff or some sort of organic dishwashing liquid if you can. But even if you don't have that, still creating it with normal dishwashing liquid is very, very helpful, and it's going to be more low tox than if you bought a spray. So I'm just going to add, I should actually show you. I'm going to add, this one's eucalyptus. Now I've got some Young Living essential oils, and I've also got some doTERRA essential oils, and this one doesn't want to drop in. There we go. I'm adding 5 or 6 drops of eucalyptus because I really love the eucalyptus smell. My husband and I both agree with that. We both love the eucalyptus smell. Lemon is a fantastic essential oil to use as well. It's a really, really great for low tox stuff. I don't know why they sort of don't want to come out a bit today. Anyway, there we go. Some lemon. And the last one that I've got here, which is a doTERRA essential oil, is On Guard. Now this one has got, what's it got in it? Wild orange, clove bud, cinnamon leaf, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus oil, and rosemary oil. It's quite similar to the Thieves one from Young Living. It's fantastic. Clove oil in particular and cinnamon oil are fantastic for when it comes to cleaning, and they also leave a really, really beautiful smell. So there you go. Another thing that I would usually add is some dishwashing liquid again, but you can add that or not add it. Give it a little shake up. All right, and as you can see, or I assume you can see, you might be able to see my really sort of dirty bench top that I've left here for us to test this on today. So here we go. I've given that a bit of a shake just to get the essential oils all around in there. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. Oh, the smell of that is epic. Yum. That is so good. I'm just going to spin it around so it's sort of a better spray. There we go. Now I've got my cloth that's already damp. And I'm just going to be giving that a bit of a wipe. Now that just smells amazing. It's really quite vinegary, obviously, because it's got a bit of vinegar in it. But it's also really, really, it's got a really beautiful smell from those essential oils. Okay, so there you go. That's my simple spray. Now I am just going to go over quickly. I'll just grab a rag and then I'm going to go over and we're going to clean a window to see how the window comes up. The only problem is there's a puppy in the background, but I'm sure you won't mind that. All right, so let's take this over to go and see how it goes on the window. Now, we're going to try out my spray that we've just made on the glass door. Now, this is Ziggy. He's our Border Collie cross golden retriever pup, and he is 8 months old yesterday, I think. And oh my goodness, he's been eating everything, but there are paw marks all over this door. This is my reality all the time at the moment. Anyway, we're going to demonstrate how well this works. I'm going to go outside the door and I'm going to clean the bits that you can see, and Ziggy's probably going to watch me, maybe get in my face, but that's okay. There we go. And as I'm sure you'll notice, this door is looking much cleaner. I'm not sure if you can tell because, to be honest, the dog made a mess outside, but super, super clean, much cleaner than it was. And also another thing that I found really, really helpful, there was something down here that I was struggling to get off. Now, this got it off. This has got clove in it. This has got lemon in it. This has got vinegar in it. Eucalyptus is sort of there mainly for the scent, but eucalyptus also is a cleaning powerhouse in its own right. So you want natural? This is natural. They're really, really good low tox cleaner. I use it on glass. I use it on the table. I could use it on curtains. I could use it on the walls. I can use it pretty much anywhere. Again, spot clean yourself before you get to use it. Before you want to use it on things. I'm not sure about leather. You might just have to check it out. Not sure about fabric because it's got oils in it, but it should be okay. Regardless, please spot test before you use it on anything really, really precious to you. But that's my natural cleaner. Recipe is in the description below. Don't forget to check out my Simple Housewife Ideas podcast. Little tiny things that are going to help you so, so, so much. Whether you're a housewife, whether you're not a housewife, right? Home, garden, low tox, and food. All right, I'm Miranda. Bye.